Acai berry diet aids in weight loss and anti-aging. The acai berry is taking the world by storm. Just the mention of the berry causes many people to talk about the benefits they have heard about somewhere. Even celebrities such as Opra claims it is a wonder weight loss diet. There are studies that show the berry is very nutritional as well as a powerful food. It is from the rainforests of Brazil. It tastes like berries combined with chocolate, making it more appealing. It is high in amino acids and fatty acids that are essential in any diet. It can be found in health food stores or online. The benefits of the acai berry are: it is a great means of detoxing and maintaining a healthy balance on the levels of pH in the body. The levels of pH are responsible for the body's immune system to function properly. The berry also has a high concentration of antioxidants that fight aging. It has monounsaturated fats, dietary fiber, and phytosterols that promote cardiovascular and digestive health. When adding the acai berry to the diet with a proper diet and exercise, people do lose weight. They are able to increase their health based on the ingredient of the berry. The berry adds to the essential nutrients and fiber needed for a healthy diet. It helps fight of diseases such as the common cold, heart disease and fatigue. With these benefits, it is no wonder many people are using the berry for their dietary needs. Acai comes in different forms. It is available in whole berries, powders, juices, pills and food items. The easily accessible berry has found its way into many homes for both weight loss and health improvement supplements. When using any dietary supplement, remember to add exercise to the diet as a standard routine. Exercising increases the benefits of any diet as well increases the body's ability to function in a healthy fashion. The acai berry will add to the balance and active lifestyle. Depending on the location of the product, the prices will vary. It is generally an affordable product. Make sure to verify when purchasing the product the exact quality of the contents. Some companies try to sell a diluted product that does not have the same benefits as the higher quality products. Read the labels carefully to know what you're buying. If you are serious about losing weight and improving your health, the acai berry is one of the best options on the market. Research proves the berry is an effective method to any diet, whether for weight loss or for increased health. To gain further information on the benefits of the acai berry, use the internet as a great resource option. Please, subscribe to my videos.